The alternator is an important part of a vehicle that charges the battery and powers electrical systems. If the alternator stops working, the battery can drain quickly, and the car may not run properly. There are simple ways to test an alternator. Before testing the alternator, the battery should be checked first. A weak or dead battery can create the same problems as a faulty alternator. Make sure the battery is fully charged and in good condition. Also check that the battery terminals are clean, tight, and free from corrosion. If the battery is not working properly, the alternator test results may be incorrect and misleading. Inspecting the alternator belt is an important step before testing the alternator. Open the hood and carefully look at the belt connected to the alternator. Check for cracks, fraying, looseness, or signs of wear. If the belt is damaged or too loose, the alternator will not spin properly and cannot charge the battery effectively. Start the engine and allow it to run at idle speed. The alternator only begins working when the engine is on, as it uses engine power to generate electricity. Once the engine is running, the alternator can charge the battery and supply power to all electrical components of the vehicle. Ensure all accessories are off to get accurate voltage readings during testing procedures safely. After starting the engine, carefully watch the dashboard lights, especially the battery or charging warning light. If this light stays on while the engine is running, it may indicate that the alternator is not charging the battery properly. A healthy alternator usually turns off the warning light once the engine starts. Noticing these dashboard signals early can help identify alternator problems before they cause bigger problems. Using a voltmeter is an important step to test the alternator. Set the voltmeter to measure DC voltage and connect the red probe to the positive battery terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal. This allows you to check the battery voltage and alternator output accurately. A voltmeter helps identify whether the alternator is producing the correct voltage to charge the battery and power the vehicle's electrical systems. Before testing the alternator, check the battery voltage with the engine off. A healthy battery should read around the volts. This gives a baseline to compare the alternator's performance later. Measuring the voltage with the engine off helps determine if the battery is fully charged and in good condition, ensuring accurate results when testing the alternator while the engine is running. So, by applying these ways and using the product, you can test an alternator.